YouTube, welcome to AidaVanCook channel. Today we've got something truly irresistible cooking in the kitchen. Perfectly crispy, mouth-watering fried meat dumplings. Fried meat dumplings are not only delicious but also a fun and interactive food to prepare and share with friends and family. We're going to show you how to make these dumplings from scratch with simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Chop the onion. Now chop the bell peppers. Let's fry the onions. It's time to add turmeric and mix them well. Now black pepper. Mix. And now paprika. Mix again. And now garlic powder. And salt. Finally the thyme. It's time for the ground beef. And now the bell pepper. Here it is time to add tomato paste and mix. Reduce the heat and put the lid. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now we need the dough. If you didn't watch the dough video yet, you can watch the full video of it in the link below or click the link on top of this video. Alright, spread the dough. With the help of any tool that is round, make the dough into a small circles. Now it's time to fill the dumplings. With the help of a fork, we press the edges of the dough. Close the edges with the help of your fingers. Now grease a desired oven pan and put the dumplings on it. Place the oven pan in the preheated oven. We leave it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Our dumplings are ready. Enjoy it! Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you're excited about this video. Take care. See you soon.